With a vision of making reliable inkjet inks that meet industry standards and customer experiences, Splashjet, established in 2006, is a leading inkjet ink manufacturer located in central India. Over a decade of experience in water-based inkjet ink technology. We manufacture inks for various inkjet printing applications including large format printer for photo and CAD/CAM printing, desktop printers for home and office printing, textile printers for sublimation or direct-to-garment printing, and industrial coating and marking DTG inks. We have an international presence with exports in more than 40 countries, which demonstrates our core belief of having winning partnerships with our customers where everyone is a winner. To achieve this, we have a team of experts in our research and development department, which ensures each and every parameter should be consistent and good in quality. The required raw material from leading suppliers goes through our quality check parameters that mainly ensure consistency. Each batch that is manufactured is recorded to the minutest details and documented internally. This is done to ensure batch-to-batch consistency for all orders. The focus on consistency along with performance is constantly present, because we believe in making our inks highly reliable, so that our customers experience colorful and vibrant prints each and every time they use Splashjet ink. To ensure print performance, we have an application department, where all the testing of the inks is carried out on different printers. The inks are tested on various performance parameters to ensure a high level of runnability and consistency. Our packaging department takes extra care to make the packaging durable. With our automated bottling unit, we achieve higher efficiency with lower manual intervention. Inks are then packed in bottles or containers as per the standard SKU. Inline packaging and labeling operations ensure the complete accuracy of the process. Packaged inks are then transferred to the warehouse for shipping. Splashjet offers a variety of plug-and-play type options for specific printers, along with general bulk and refill type packaging options. Our dedicated sales and supports team helps you endear optimum product experience, ensuring best results. Proudly serving thousands of happy customers from different markets, we stand as India's leading inkjet ink manufacturer. Experience the perfect balance of quality and performance at excellent value with Splashjet Inks. Get in touch today to know more. Think inkjet, think Splashjet.